Good morning, everyone. My name is Chumaika, and I'll be representing Group 3 for our representation. This report consists of two parts, and we will start first with the title of Clear and Specific Language. So, ano nga ba ang kabaliktaran ng clear and specific language? Diba, miscommunication or hindi pagkakaunawaan. Previous lesson is natakal na natin yung nakakapag-lead sa miscommunication such as yung noise and yung barriers na may 7 types. And isa sa types na yon is pasok sa discussion natin today. And ayun yung linguistic barrier. Ano nga ba yung linguistic barrier? Ayun yung communication using language or limited na kaalaman sa words, wrong spelling, grammar, punctuation, pronunciation, as well as yung pagkakaiba ng dialect. For example, Filipino, and yung kausap ko naman is Japanese yung ginagamit. On the other hand, na-attain yung clear and specific language through common knowledge between sender and receiver. Gumagamit ito ng common words or phrases instead sa mga complex words or jargons na hindi familiar sa iba kaya nagkakaroon ng misunderstanding through communication.